What's going on, you guys? Griffin here with Country Slickers. We're back with another video today, doing a little bit of a tech topic, and that is sponsored today by Vogma air pumps. So I want to show you guys a new pump. They fired it over to us, said, hey, give it a test, see what's going on. And this is the pump here. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing, show you what it's all about, and go through a few specs. Everybody that I know that goes off-road, for the most part, all of us carry a spare pump at some point or another. It's really important to have, especially whenever you're off-roading for your truck. You're always going to be airing down your tires and then airing back up. With the side-by-sides, I usually carry a cheaper Canadian tire pump or something like that. However, it's always nice to have something with a little bit more oomph. And the reason for that being that if you do ever blow a tire off the bead or anything like that, it's nice to just have something quick that you can pull out of your bag. It's lightweight, you plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you're able to air up quickly. So this Vogma pump, it's good for 50 psi of pressure. It does have a cigarette adapter, to pump up your tires. Comes with a bunch of different nozzles, so you can use it for pumping up a regular bike tire. You can use it for pumping up a SUP board. There's a couple of different adapters, so if you wanted to do, say, an air mattress or even an inflatable, if you're out camping and you wanted to have something to float on, you could do something like that. So it's a pretty cool pump. It has a built-in thermal efficiency cooler, which is really nice as well. So yeah, it's a good, looks like a good product, but we're gonna go ahead right now and test it out. If you guys want to take a peek here, the KRX, because it's got the bead locks, is always leaking air. Usually when I come back every week or two from work, two or three at least of the tires are flat. So you can see today we've got that right now. That tire is flat as they come. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the pump, show you guys what's in the box, what it comes with, and then we'll go ahead and pump some tires up, see how the performance is. All right, so this is the pump. So we'll go ahead and open up the box here. All right, so we got a manual, which I won't read. We've got a nice little card saying thank you for the purchase. Great. So this is the pump itself. Pull that out of the package here. Oh, nice. Okay, so not a very big pump, very small. You can see that's my hand size against it, so it's pretty small, it's compact. It has a nice little ergonomic handle here for carrying around, which is nice. You guys can see on the back here, we've got our hoses for inflate and then deflate as well. That's actually a super handy feature. So if you're going to be floating or using an inflatable SUP or a kayak, really nice to have that so that you can actually pull the air out afterwards, and it's really quick to do so. All your electronics on the button on the front. It actually looks like it's got a little flashlight too, which is kind of neat. Cool. And then let's see what else we've got in here. Nice. So accessories, hoses, like we talked about, for inflation. We have, looks like our air pump for tires. A couple different adapters. They give you a couple fuses, which is nice. And then also we have our power cable. So that's actually nice. If you guys can see that there, lots of cabling there, which is nice because if you are traveling around your truck or car or your side-by-side, and maneuvering around, trying to pump up your SUP board or tires, it's nice to be able to move this pump a little bit more as needed. So, and then they do have this little carrying bag, so which is nice. It's nice to keep everything together. So cool. So that is everything that comes with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and then we can pump up some tires and see how long it takes. One thing that they've done that I do want to point out real quick, because I think it's a super smart, such a small thing, but such a smart thing, is if you guys peek on here. So this is your inflatable hose attachment. All of your inflatable ends, all of your adapters here are on a little keychain. So it makes it really easy when you're selecting them, because I don't know about you guys, but I will get 2, 3, 4, 5 of these things, and I will lose all of them because I have no idea where they went. So really smart, small little thing that they put these on a link, so you're never gonna lose these tips. I like that, it's a nice touch. So I guess if you turn it off, that's when you get your actual reading. So right now we're actually at 12 PSI, and then you just gotta go ahead and click this, but it's kind of cool. So there's a bunch of different modes on here that you can change, which is pretty sweet. So if you go here, you can go to different modes. There's a bike, pedal bike, 45 PSI max, SUP board, inflatable raft. So it's pretty cool. They do these really cool little modes so you can quickly switch. And then obviously you can adjust the set pressure down, or you can adjust the set pressure up. And then you can even change the units. So right now it's in PSI. You can go to KPA, kilograms per minute, or meter, sorry, bar. So that's kind of cool. Nice feature. And then actually this light is sweet. So if you're out in the bush at night, just picture this, you're out in the bush at night and you're on your side-by-side or in your truck, and you hit your light button here. You've got not only a front light, which is actually pretty darn good, but you've got a rear one. So that's kind of nice to have both lights. I like that. Good idea. Good engineering on that. That was a good idea. So we'll turn that off. Oh, and it does have a strobe mode, looks like, too. That's kind of nice. So we'll fill this up. Okay, so we were registering 16.4 on here, so we're gonna go ahead and test it with the gauge, and the tire gauge, to just see where we got to. Oh, that's pretty close. So that's reading just over 15, probably right around 16. So not bad. Vogma, I think you guys did a good job here. Yeah, it looks like a good product. It reads accurately. It's got lots of different modes. The lighting feature is really nice. That'd be awesome for the trail if you were at night, especially if you're running around the vehicle and trying to make heads or tails of where you're at and where your little pieces are, your parts, or when you're losing your valve caps, whatever. So really like that. And then also we talked about how they just have just little touches, you know, having those adapters on the end of the hose actually chained to the hose. Little things like that'll help so that you don't actually lose it as the years go on, and then you always have those adapters. So nice product. Vogma, you guys did good. These guys are available on Amazon. So I'll drop the link below if you guys think it's worth it. I think they go for about 130 bucks on Amazon. So nice little pump to have. I think it was definitely geared towards the SUP boarders because it's so small and portable. But no reason you couldn't use it for a tire. Haven't tried it on a truck yet, obviously, but for the side-by-side anyways, like we went quickly from absolute 0 PSI up to 16. It took, you know, I'm gonna guesstimate a minute and a half, 2 minutes, not long at all. So nice product. Thanks for sending that over, guys. I'll drop the link below, and if you're looking for an air pump, I would consider this one.